Parents who feature their kids in paid videos may have to think twice before posting them, thanks to a unique Minnesota law that just took effect. Caroline Cummings reports.
Snaps are done. Let's do our evening routine.
Nearly 200,000 people follow Jenna Greer on TikTok and even more on Instagram as she documents her life as a mother of 3 kids under the age of 6.
It's been a fun digital scrapbook. It's kind of fun for me to look back on, and I've had moms just through online, even in person, say, I helped them get through postpartum, helped them get through the newborn trenches. And it's really just that community that I've built that I think I love the most.
A lot of her content features her kids, and some of those posts mean payday.
I do make some from a creator fund, but I'd say the majority paid ads with brands.
The scope of that work may change now that there's a law in effect as of July 1st prohibiting kids under 14 from being featured in monetized content. It also sets guardrails for other minors to ensure they're fairly compensated.
If they're 13 and under, kids can't work in the ice cream shop and they can't work in their parents' content creation either. That's the way the law looks at it.
William McEveran, who's dean of the University of Minnesota Law School, says other states like California have similar laws, but not the ban on children under 14 like Minnesota does.
This is basically looking at being a child appearing in this content as being a job, being work. And it takes almost a child labor lens. And it says if you're 13 and younger, you're too young to be doing this job.
But DFL Senator Erin May Quaid, the author of the law, says this doesn't apply to all content featuring kids.
It doesn't mean people can't, use their kids in non-monetized content. It doesn't mean that folks can't use their kid in monetized content fewer, days and hours. It just means that our whole, a kid's whole life can't be working for any industry, including this one.
Greer says she understands why the law is in place to protect kids and says she'll adjust the way she posts.
There is a chance that changes our income. It will be severe, but it will affect.
Caroline Cummings, WCCO News.
The rules don't apply if you are not making money on the post. The law also says if the kids featured, once they're adults, ask for the content to be taken down, it must be removed.